really fast. Pero, Jillian, how about on the inside? Your schedule being as demanding as it is, how do you feel when you drink Choco Barley?
Well, kasi nga po na-research ko siya, marami siyang vitamins and minerals.
Right.
So, ewan ko po, actually, ever since din po mas naging okay din yung sleep ko, kahit pa paano. Dati kasi po, pag nasa bed ako, nahihirapan pa ako matulog. Ngayon, medyo mas madali na lang, kahit hectic ko yung schedule ko. Tapos, pag working naman po ako, mas may energy na nag-ako. And, ewan ko, dito ko, lagi nagkakasakit ngayon, unlike dati. Lagi ako nagkakasakit ngayon po hindi.
Grabe talaga. Your immunity is at its best right now, especially since you're taking it so regularly. Your skin looks absolutely divine. My goodness, if you're looking up close, like I'm in shock. You look like my goodness, you are truly beauty and brains, Jillian. And thank you so much for being here and answering all of our questions so sincerely. And by the way, my goodness, ayan, for the younger generation, you have the living testimony of what it's like to take Choco Barley every single day. May energy ka na nga. Ang ganda mo pa. Ang hindi ka stress at all. Kaya tayo dito sa I-Am Worldwide.
Yeah. All right. Well,